Hello, my dear Cancer. How are you, my dear Cancer? I hope you are doing well. Actually, I miss you. And I'm sorry for my long absence na hindi ako nagkaroon ng monthly na session para sa'yo. Kasi maraming pinagkakaabalahan sa trabaho. But anyway, at least this time I'm thankful that I have this reading session for you, my dear Cancer. Alamin natin kung ano ang mensahe para sa iyo, kabuang enerhiya na dapat mong malaman para sa buwan ng Marso. So let's dive in. Universe. Okay, so simulan na natin. Ang unang card para sa iyo na mula sa Lightseer Tarot deck ay ang Page of Wands. Page of Wands na nangangahulugan na nahihirapan kang gawin ang isang bagay kasi parang hindi ka inspired or sadyang nahirapan ka lang abutin ang kung ano man yung nais mong gawin. Okay? Parang mahirap sa'yo gawin. Or parang kailangan mo pa ng matinding effort para lang makamit ang ano man itong inaasam mo na mangyari or maisagawa. And parang ang dahilan kung bakit hindi mo ma-accomplish ang bagay na ito na inaasam mo kasi parang kailangan mo pang i-activate yung solar plexus chakra mo, no? Which is responsible for your determination, courage, and confidence. So, siguro, mahirap gawin yon kasi parang kulang ka ng pagtitiwala sa sarili mo. Okay? Which is mahalaga yung confidence. No? Kasi yung confidence natin sa sarili natin is yun ang magsisilbing star power natin. No? So, we cannot be recognized, we cannot be accepted, we cannot be appreciated, we cannot be loved without our self-confidence. So, it all begins within ourselves. No? So, kailangan mong i-activate yung solar plexus chakra mo through meditation and yoga exercise. Okay. And with that Page of Swords in reverse, we also have here the Page of Cups, which is also in reverse. And it also said that it also reminds us that we need to activate our root chakra, no? Kailangan itong root chakra na ma-activate ito kasi the root chakra is responsible for our wealth, abundance, security, stability, and groundedness. So, hindi natin mai-enjoy yung mga material energies na kung ano na meron tayo kung hindi tayo grounded. So, we need to be energetically grounded with our root chakra. And it also says here na hindi ka grounded kasi hindi ka grounded energetically through the root chakra kasi naiisip mo pa rin yung childhood issues mo, no? Parang may nakaraan na nag-udyok talaga sa'yo na magiging low vibration na sa kasalukuyan, no? And siguro ang iba sa inyo ay biktima ng pang-aabuso, no? Sexually abused. You are being sexually abused by somebody or by a person spiritually. You are being abused. So it is a bad news for you, no? And because you have that deactivated root chakra, mahirap gawin yung bagay na wala kang inspirasyon. So it's like a broken dream for you, no? Marami kang pinapangarap, pero kahit isa man lang sa mga pangarap mo ay wala talaga nangyari. So it's a broken dreams. It's the broken dreams, no, for you. But if you begin to activate your root chakra, it will definitely be changed, no? Your reality would be changed. So itong Page of Pentacles, ito na ngayon confirmation dito sa Page of Cups, na kung saan parang marami akong nakikita dito na yellow color, and it feels like you are a happy person na kahit hindi activated yung root chakra mo, masaya ka naman eh. And dalawang beses nang lumabas ng ang third eye chakra mo. So talagang nangangahulugan siya na hindi activated yung root chakra mo dahil may naramdaman kang meron ka pa ring takot, no? Parang you are being possessed by fear, which is not good, no? Hindi maganda yung takot na mararamdaman natin. So if you're afraid of something, you should avert that fear right away, because it's low vibrational thing. If you want to manifest abundance in life, you need to keep your vibration high and avoid the energy of fear, the energy of regret. Kailangan mong iwasan yan, kasi yun ang magiging dahilan na hindi mo makamit ang bagay na inaasam mo through manifestation. Okay? And with that, my dear Cancer, the next card from Lightseer Tarot deck is the Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups, maaring sinasabi dito na magkakajowa ka na or makikita mo si Dungan sa buwan ng Marso, no? So, buwan ng Marso. Okay. Makikita mo siya or mahahanap mo siya. Sana all mahahanap na si Dawan. Okay. So, maaaring yun ang good news na sinasabi dito sa Page of Pentacles, no? Kasi magkakaroon ka ng panibagong simula in terms of relationship or love life. And so kung magkakajowa ka na, parang magiging motivated ka na para gumawa para abutin yung mga layunin mo sa buhay. So yun, si jowa lang pala ang magiging inspirasyon mo. And here, Six of Wands. Wow, ang ganda. Six of Wands. This is talent-related energies, skills, interests, energies in the element of fire. Okay? Six of Wands, ibig sabihin, ikaw ay makikilala ng karamihan, ikaw ay kikilalanin, magiging sikat ka sa lugar ninyo, malalaman nila kung ano yung abilidad mo, at makikita nila na magaling ka pala sa mga bagay na to or sa creative projects gaya ng painting, no? Makikita nila, ma-appreciate nila yung paintings mo, or maaring ang creative projects, creative pursuit mo ay may kinalaman sa songwriting, okay? Ma-appreciate nila yung mga kanta mo, pupurihin ka nila, okay? Or i-hire ka nila sa kanilang kumpanya, kagaya na sinabi dito sa Page of Pentacles na makakatanggap ka ng magandang balita at bibigyan ka ng oportunidad. So yun na. Siguro ang kailangan lang kasi ay gawin kung ano man yung ipinapagawa sa iyo ng universe, no? Halimbawa na pinapagawa ka ng aklat or nobela, kailangan mo talaga siyang gawin para hindi natin alam, maaring ito ang bagay na ito ang magdadala sa atin ng swerte, no? Na kung saan makikita nila na meron ka palang talento, may abilidad ka pala, so aanyayahan kanila na mag-apply sa kanilang kumpanya, no? Bilang bagong empleyado. Kung papala rin na makapasa sa interview, no? So yun, I declare, actually it's good na ito na yun, no? Na magkakaroon ka raw ng panibagong simula, magkakaroon ka ng oportunidad, good news, yun. So I'm happy for you, my dear Cancer. And we also have here the Lovers. Wow, I think this is confirmation to the Knight of Cups, no? The Lovers. So mahahanap mo talaga si soulmate mo, yung soulmate mo para sa buwan ng Marso, no? Magkakaroon kayo ng perpekto na pagsasama, no? Isang matatag na partnership or relationship, okay? So magkakaroon din kayo ng romansa, no? Sexual connection and shared values. Wow, ganda. And with the Six of Wands, meron tayo ditong Nine of Swords, no? The Nine of Swords is saying na meron kang takot, meron kang nararamdaman na takot, or ikaw ay abalang-abala, na stressed ka sa buhay mo ngayon, or may pinapasan kang bigat or burden, no? Or maring overwhelmed ka sa dami ng trabaho or dami ng problema sa buhay, so na-overwhelm ka, parang naiisip mo na hindi mo na kayang labanan ito lahat sa buhay mo, and or ang iba sa inyo ay nagkaroon ng mental anguish, no? Nakaranas ng pagsisisi, okay? Nagsisisi sa mga ginawa mo sa nakaraan, parang gano'n. And with that, meron tayong the sun. The sun in the upright position. So, ito na yung confirmation talaga. Marami akong nakikitang yellow dito sa reading session na ito. Yellow from the sun in upright position. Yellow from the page of pentacles. Another yellow from page of wands. And another yellow from page of cups, which means masaya ka, kaya lang meron ka ring kinakalaban na takot sa sarili, something hindi ko alam, no? Basta isang bagay na kinatatakutan mo din, no? Pero in fact dapat kang maging masaya kasi this is your season, no? Everything is gonna be alright. And here we have the justice. Justice, ibig sabihin, nangingibabaw talaga yung katarungan, no? Kung meron mang tinatago sa nakaraan, tinatago, mabubulgar at mabubulgar din yun. Okay? At mangingibabaw talaga ang hustisya. Kasi, sa aking paniniwala na, alam ng Panginoon ang mga lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay natin at hindi talaga tayo pababayaan na naghihirap at nakaranas ng walang ng inustisya or walang katwiran. So dapat dahil mahal tayo ng Panginoon, gagawa din siya ng paraan para makamit natin ang katarungan. Okay? And with that, ang ganda nito, I love this card. Sinabi dito na, I am open and receptive to new avenues of income. So, willing kang makatanggap ng panibagong paraan para magkapera, no? Para may kikitain. I now receive my good from expected and unexpected sources. I am an unlimited being, accepting from an unlimited source. I am an unlimited way. I am blessed beyond my fondest dreams. So, magkakaroon ka ng panibagong paraan para magkapera. I'm glad you have this. My future is glorious. Ang aking kinabukasan ay maganda, no? It's glorious. I now live in limitless love, light, and joy. All is well in my world. So, kung ano man ang magiging pangyayari sa buhay natin, lagi nating isipin na nangyayari yun lahat para sa ating ikabubuti, no? Para magiging mas matatag tayo at maging mas malakas, no? And we also have here the karma cards, particularly planets, and the planets that you may have is the sun. So the sun is reminding your spirit to demonstrate and in your mind realize, no, mapagtanto kung ano man yung dapat isipin. And to your physical being is that do as a leader. So act like a leader. Yun. I think Cancer is Cancer is a strong leader. So you can make it, my dear Cancer, to be strong. You deserve to be happy. So in order to enjoy the things that you want to do, you have to be inspired. And remember that you will be meeting your soulmate na. And through meeting your soulmate, you will be inspired once again to do your creative projects, and through that you will be rewarded in your hard work. So ito lang ang masasabi ko sa iyo, my dear Cancer. See you in the next reading. Goodbye for now.